Hey guys, it's Low Carb Mama here. So tonight I got you in my kitchen and we are going to make a peanut butter snack. So when you're on low carb, peanut butter is kind of high in carb and high in fat. So I found a pretty cool way to satisfy my cravings. So let's get into it. All right, so what I did is I went and got some powdered peanut butter. Got this at Walmart. Got a big old jug of it. Cause trust me, once you try this, you're going to like it. And then I got me some light whipped cream. Also got it at Walmart. And then get you a no-calorie sweetener. Now you can get any kind you like. Doesn't matter what kind, as long as it's low calorie, no carbs. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the peanut butter powder first because you just don't want to mix it with the whip topping. So we'll add two teaspoons full peanut butter powder, and then we're going to go ahead and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of your whip topping, or how much ever you want. Just depends on you and what you want for your carbs. And then you add your 1 packet, is all we need, 1 packet of your low carb sweetener, and we mix it up. Mix it really good because it kind of makes it thicker. So we're going to go ahead and mix it. Mix it really good. And just keep mixing it until it's all blended in really good. And my best recommendation is once you get it all stirred up, pop it in the freezer for about like 5 minutes, maybe even 8 to 10, just depending. But it's so good when it's just like ice cold. But there, you have it. You can see this texture, and it's kind of like pudding texture. And I'm telling you, it is so good. You won't regret it. You gotta try it. Thanks, y'all. Have a good night.